welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead. If you are new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and today we are going to be using the second zucchini that I was given by one of my good friends, Becky, and we are going to be making zucchini bread. For zucchini bread, you're going to want to completely wash your fruit first because you are not going to peel it. You're going to leave the peel on because it gives it that nice little green flecks in the bread. If you're trying to sneak the zucchini into stuff, then you can peel it first, and then people won't even know. Seriously, they won't even know that the zucchini's in there. Okay, so I'm going to cut the ends, both of the ends off of this zucchini, and then I'm going to cut it in half, okay? Okay, then you're going to cut each side in half, each part in half lengthwise, okay? Let me get a chicken bowl. Okay, so I got a spoon, and you're just going to take and you're going to scrape out any of the big seeds that are in the middle. William has been asking since January for zucchini bread, but because our squash did so terrible this year, William, but since our squash did so terrible this year, I haven't been able to make it until now. Okay, now we are going to shred our zucchini. Okay, so any big chunks of skin or leftovers, I'm going to just throw into my chicken bucket. I'm going to show you guys a little trick. Okay, so to get you need to get as much of the water out of the zucchini as possible because you want a moist bread, but you don't want it to be super wet, right? Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to take salt, and you are going to salt, not a ton, but a good amount, about a teaspoon, over the top of your zucchini. Okay, so we're going to salt our zucchini, and then we are going to toss it. And we are going to let it sit here in this colander for about 15-20 minutes, and it is going to drain all of the moisture out of this zucchini and into the bowl below it. All right, we'll be back. Okay, you guys, we are ready. Our zucchini has drained, and you can actually see how much liquid came out of it, okay? So, I tasted it. I made sure it's not super salty. The salt really did go out with the liquid. And we are going to combine all of our dry ingredients first, okay? So we have 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. We have, do you want to put it in? We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Uh-oh! That's okay, it's in there. Okay, so we're going to mix that up. All right, to that we are going to add 4 eggs and a cup of oil and a cup and a half of granulated sugar. Oh. And a third of a cup of lemon juice. Do you want to pour it in? Yeah. Okay, so we are just going to combine all of our ingredients except the zucchini right now, okay? Egg, yeah. Okay, can I mix it? Okay. All right, so it is pretty thick. It's almost like a shortbread, okay? And we're going to add in our zucchini. Pour that in there. Hey, where's the zucchini? Pour the zucchini in. All right. And even though we took a lot of moisture out of the zucchini, there's still a lot that's in there, okay? All right. Yeah, okay, you guys, I had a last-minute addition that I want to put in here. I saw these white chocolate chips on my shelf when I was getting all the ingredients out, and I thought that it would be super good in this recipe. Good, yeah. Do you want one? Or 3? 4? All right, we're going to put the rest in here, though, okay? So that's about a half a cup of white chocolate chips if you would like to add that to yours also. That is a complete option. You could also add pecans in here, You could add in walnuts. You could add in regular chocolate if you like lemon and chocolate together. I'm not a big fan of that, but if you like it, absolutely, you can add in whatever you like into this. You could add in craisins or raisins. All right, you guys, so you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we will get this in the loaf pan. Okay, Cole, are we gonna add it to our pan?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We are going to be using our Pullman loaf pan for our bread, but you can use, this recipe is for 2 9-inch loaf pans if you have small loaf pans. All right, you guys, we are going to get this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. It does take a while to cook these quick breads, but they're worth it in the end. All right, we'll be back. Bye. All right, you guys, our zucchini bread is out of the oven, and Hunter pointed out the irony of me saying earlier that it is quick bread that takes a long time to cook, and I just want to touch on that for a little bit. It's not quick bread because of the time that it takes to cook. It is quick bread because it is faster than making yeast bread. Okay, I explained that to him too. But here is our zucchini bread. I will take it out of the pan. Just to let you know, it is totally normal for quick breads to be dark on the outside. It is hot. Don't touch it. Because of the amount of time that it takes to cook down into the center. It is going to be delicious. Colt, are you excited? If you guys liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. It really is the best way that you can help our channel. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye.